Chineck out ko tong knitted vest kasi sobrang ganda ng quality niya pero hindi ko na maalam i-style. So, come style it with me. For the top, gusto ko siya gawing layer. I'm just not sure what to layer it with. Let's try this knitted polo. It's not bad, but I feel like there's too much going on sa top. Yeah, it's not bad, but I feel like I'm gonna go with a regular white t-shirt. Okay, so I switched it up with a Nerisim shirt from Uniqlo. And yeah, it looks more classy. Bakit mas classy pa siya kaysa dun sa polo? Oh my god, Macy's. They love each other. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. Akala ko pa naman sweet na moment na. I think okay na sa akin yung plain white t-shirt sa loob. Now, let's go decide what pants I'm gonna wear. Guys, hindi ko talaga to style. Sana hindi pangit. So, this is option 1, pinstrap Jorts. Let's try it on. I think I'm going for a classy look, so I'm not sure how this will look classy. Bro, hindi ko talaga to style. Natatakot ako na pangit yung kakalabasan. But yeah, it could be a fit. Let's try my option 2 muna. I don't like it. Balik tayo sa option 1. Palit na naman! Hindi ko alam kung bagay sa akin tong style. I'm just trying a bunch of different styles because I have no idea what my style is. Speaking of hindi bagay, I need to get a haircut kasi hindi na bagay sa akin yung hair ko. I'm gonna use these for shoes. I know hindi na siya classy, but I guess that's not the style we're going for today. No socks kasi maangas tayo. Ugh! Yak! Kadiri yung feeling. Okay, never mind. I don't like these shoes. Papalit tayo. Dito tayo sa paboritong anak ko. My super common New Balance. May makakaparehas ka everywhere you go. 530s. Sorry, nak. It's not your time to shine today. Okay, I can't wrap it up here kasi wala pa masyadong accessories. I think we need a hat. Yeah! This is becoming a fit, Saja boys! Tangin ng outfit yan. Yeah, so this is the final fit. Mukha ba akong Saja boy? There you go. I think I want a little pop of color, so I'm gonna use this as a hat. This is the fit so far. I'm not sure if it's complete yet. Let's accessorize. I really need more accessories. Ow! So I think this is the fit. I don't know if I like it. Kasi checkout na checkout, hindi naman gagamitin eh. Guys, I have no idea kung ano yung style ko. I just realized I don't know my style. I think I'm gonna make this a series. Since hindi ko rin naman alam yung style ko, you guys can help me figure out what my style is. So that's it. Follow me if gusto nyo makakita ng ganong content. And please suggest clothing items that you wanna see me style next. So that's it.